Hello, welcome to Melody Bar. Do you find it a struggle using all of your fingers while you're playing the guitar? I know when you start out, usually one finger is just fine, isn't it? And maybe bringing a second in. But using all four, especially with this little guy, this pinky, why won't you work? I've got an exercise that's going to get all of your fingers working out. It's going to go through 3 stages. Easy, medium, and hard. So make sure you stay right through to the end and challenge yourself with all 3 stages. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know which ones worked for you. And even time yourself and let me know how fast you can do these. I'm using an electric guitar for these exercises, but it really doesn't matter what you have. An acoustic, a classical, or even a bass. Works the same for all. Round 1. So round 1 is relatively simple. What you're doing is, you're choosing a fret. I'm going to choose the 5th fret. And you're going to play each fret, each with a different finger, like so. If this is new for you, if you've not really used these fingers before, take your time and just make sure you use all 4 fingers. You can try going back again. And that is round 1. Once you've got used to that, try it on all strings. And here is the challenge. Let's descend. Make sure you're accurate. Make sure you are right as close to the frets as you can get. And build up the speed. Don't go in too fast. Round 2. Round 2, we're going to mix up the order of the fingers. So what I was doing there is, you're starting with your first finger for every single one. And then on the next string, you swap the pinky and the ring. On the next string, you're going to go in. Here's the challenge. Make sure you comment, show me how fast you can do it. Round 3. On round 3, you're going to be mixing up the finger you start from. So I'll just quickly go through round 2 again. But then you're starting with your second finger. Then the third. And then the 4th. Here's the challenge. Make sure you comment, make sure you show me how fast you can do it. With these exercises, building from round 1 to round 3, you will get all of your fingers on a really hard workout. So please leave a comment, let me know how you're getting on, and make sure you subscribe to Melody Bar and check out the other videos, like this one right here. Melody Bar, music for everyone.